Hey guys, it's the Learning Tiger here, and in this HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about the most important concept in HTML, which is called hyperlinks. Now, what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is, you could say it's a type of text that, you know, you click on it. It's not like a plain black text, but the color of the text is blue. It's blue and it's underlined. And when you click on it, it takes you to another document. So another document, or the make another tutorial of or link to this. It's fragment that takes you to another section. So yeah. So without further ado, let's say I'm going to show you the syntax. So the syntax is a href, and then yeah, href, and then you want, you can put a title to the hyperlink. Just tells you the title, just basically tells you what the hyperlink is about. Like, what does this hyperlink do? Basically, that's the title. And after that, close this. Then yeah, closing. So uh, yeah, in this tutorial, I'm going to make another HTML document. File. It's going to be HTML. We call this about HTML. Yeah, about. So yeah. So title, I already told you. The href, that's, you watch my link resource tutorial. This stands for hypertext reference. This basically tells you the URL, the URL, or the specific document that you want to go when you click on it. So yeah, say about. Oh, let's put about here. About. And then what should I make this about? Yeah, I can't right now. I can't think of one, but yeah, I need to put something in my about page. So it's too lazy. I'm going to copy paste. Yeah, same thing. I'll just leave that as is. We'll change this to uh, index. Let's think of a best example. Like, let's say chicken. Oops, sorry. Yeah, chicken's a good topic. Chicken Chicken is a type of food. And is an animal? No, no, not an animal which can be eaten. Chicken is one of the edible animals. It comes in a variety of forms. Are boiled, fried, fried. Yeah, my favorite, fried chicken, fried or spicy. Actually, like I'll come about page. Again, the reason I'm just writing, random things is yeah, I just want to show you guys it works. So chicken is tasty. Yeah, chicken is tasty. Boiled chicken is good with soup. Fried chicken is what everyone loves, what most people love. People like to eat, and spicy, spicy chicken. Spicy chicken is for who loves a challenge. Okay, that's all in place. Ooh, forgot to put something in the title. So yeah, this will click. This will take. Now let me write something short about chicken. And then I'll write here home. Yeah, that'll take it. That'll take me to the home page. And yeah, we're gonna run this. So yeah, let me check. Yeah, so I moved it to new page. Back to chicken. Video forms. I know this won't be, aligned that well. Didn't put any like breaks, line breaks. So, but this is not the tutorial. If you want to see the line break tutorial, yeah, go see my, go see the paragraph tutorial. So, okay, run this. Oh yeah, I forgot to put a text there. Sorry, yeah, I forgot to put the text here. Yeah, let me just put about, yeah, and here's, oh, it's a little bit different. Homepage. Okay, save this. Okay. Okay, so yeah, when I click home, it'll take me here. Take me here. Then when I click the about page, it's gonna take me there. So again, that's the A tags, which I didn't say it at first. It's called anchor. The anchor tags. Yeah, so anchor hypertext reference. Then you put the name of the document you want to click on, you want to go to. And then the title, what do you want to call that hyperlink? And then you put the text to display. So yeah, same thing. Yeah. And the title homepage is right here. Same thing for the about title, about chicken. Yeah. So yeah, that'd be all for this tutorial. And I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you all for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you. And I'll see you guys.